Last night, yesterday, January 27, 2026, I decided to drive downtown. I went to downtown. It was maybe around 6, 7 p.m. I wanted just to see how downtown was after the ice storm that forced people to be inside their house for, I think, for 2 days. That was Saturday, no, probably Sunday and Monday. So this was Tuesday. As you can see, I was on Rainey Street. I mean, there were people, but not that many people as we usually have on Rainy Street. So I was going toward Cesar Chavez, and I want to go see on Fairmont and Cesar Chavez. So there were those guys with those carts, whatever, bikes, and I don't know how you call them. They were in the middle of blocking me. I could not go through. Finally, when I was able to go through, you could see not a lot of people working out. Of course, it was too cold. It was too cold for people to enjoy. I don't know. It was not a nice weather, I can say. So there I was going toward Red River. So you still could see not many people, pretty much. So turned right on Red River. On the left, you will see that new hotel or that new building, I guess the tallest building in town in Austin right now. Straight, you could see ice, I guess, and you could see Fairmont Hotel. And so you will see, I got a chance to visit and see downtown. It was quiet, rightly so. After the ice storm, you could see ice in many areas. So basically, right there, I was coming from Rainey Street. So you will see I got a chance to even go on 6th Street and then went around other areas. You will see it yourself. But the video I took will give you an idea how downtown was last night. And thank God the ice storm is something we don't see often here in Austin, Texas, or even in Texas. And it's something maybe once a year or maybe once every 2. Fortunately, this ice storm was not the same as the one we dealt with in 2021, even though people were afraid that was going to be like it. I don't think so. So right there, you can see at Fairmont Hotel, there were a lot of ice on the side, and not as many as people usually see there when we have conferences. So yeah, there were people, but not that many. So I think after Fairmont, so you will see everywhere I went, and hopefully this will give you an idea how downtown got affected by the ice storm. And you'll probably be able to notice some roads where I went to, and how quiet it was. So I think I was going toward the Austin Proper Hotel, and I was on 2nd Street, I think. and turned left on one of those roads, toward Austin Prop Hotel. So you can see not many cars, and usually even if it's during the week, you see Austin at night busy with many cars, Uber drivers, people going out to eat, or visitors and stuff like that. But at this time last night around 7 p.m. was pretty much quiet. So I just wanted to show you downtown Austin yesterday on the 27th January 2026. Expect many of these videos showing you around Austin, and this was Austin at night. And then please subscribe and share our video to see if we can grow our channel together. And this is a channel that will be showing you about Texas, showing you our great state, and this was Austin, Texas. And I thank you for your kind attention. I will see you in our next video. Thank you.